Taxi door handling. In Japan, taxi doors open and close automatically. There's no need to open or close the door yourself, and it's actually better to avoid doing so. Using public toilets. Japanese public restrooms, especially those with Western-style toilets, often have numerous buttons. These include sound masking features like the Sound Princess and warm water cleaning options. Although it might seem confusing, most buttons have clear instructions. Hotel manners. When checking in at a hotel, it's important to greet the staff politely and follow their directions. Also, avoid stepping into the lobby with room slippers, as it's considered inappropriate. Polite language in conversation. In Japan, it's customary to use polite language with people you've just met or those who are senior to you. Being overly friendly or casual with language is best avoided. Etiquette during crowded times. In crowded places, it's respectful to avoid bumping into others. At stations or bus stops, lining up and waiting your turn is essential. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge Nuggets for more fascinating facts and trivia. See you in the next video.